Recommended Charts is a relatively new but extremely useful tool in Excel. You simply select the data you want to plot and Excel comes up with a gallery of suggestions. The example here shows the first quarter sales for a group of sales reps. To create a chart, we can simply click in the data and then click the Insert tab on the ribbon and select Recommended Charts in the Charts group. You'll see a list of different possibilities on the left that you can scroll down and click on any one to see a larger thumbnail and a description. I quite like the look of this stacked bar chart that shows the sales figures for my sales reps for each month of the year stacked one on top of each other. So I'll click OK to accept it. Finally, I'll move the chart underneath my data and use the Chart Elements button to switch off the chart title. There, that'll do nicely. If I go to the next sheet to view the second example, we have similar data, but the average sales for each month is displayed on row 9. So again, I'll click in the data and select Insert, Recommended Charts. This time I have a slightly different selection showing, and notice that this second example shows my averages as a line instead of a column. That's exactly what I want. So I can compare each of the reps' sales with the average for that month. I'll click OK, and this time I'll move the chart alongside my data, and as before I'll use the Chart Elements button to switch off the chart title. Perfect. On the third sheet we have two sets of figures, one showing the totals for this year and in column C the totals for last year. Now if I click in the data and select Insert, Recommended Charts, Excel assumes I want to plot both sets of figures, whereas in fact I only want to create a chart for the current year's figures. So I'll cancel out of this dialog box and just select the data for the current year, both the month labels and corresponding values. If I now click on Recommended Charts, one of the options is a pie chart, which I think works quite well, so I'll click OK. Finally, to finish off, I'll move and resize the chart. Then if I select the Chart Elements button, I can remove the chart title. And if I select Data Labels, I can go for the option called Data Callout, which displays the months and values as percentages in a callout. As such, I no longer need a legend, so I'll just switch that off. There, I think that's looking good. One final point, if you select or click in your data and go into Recommended Charts, and you don't see the chart you want, click the All Charts tab in the dialog box, where Excel provides thumbnail views of each and every chart that you can create. So there you have it. If you're not entirely certain which chart you need to create from your Excel data, select Recommended Charts.